Hello dear students, let us solve some multiple choice questions from the simple harmonic motion dealing with the velocity of the particle. This is the video number 2 for the velocity related multiple choice questions from simple harmonic motion. If you have not so far subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like the videos if you find them useful, also share with your friends and comment on the videos so that the forthcoming videos may be improved. Now the first question, the question is, the displacement equation of a particle is x is equal to 3 sin 2t plus 4 cos 2t. The amplitude and maximum velocity respectively will be. Solution to question 1. Here A1 is amplitude, A1 is 3 and A2 is 4. Also omega is 2, therefore A will be equal to A1 square plus A2 square, because phase angle phi between sin 2t and cos 2t is pi by 2. So we get A as 3 square plus 4 square under root, which is 5, and maximum velocity V max will be equal to A omega. A is 5 and omega is 2, therefore it will be 10. So the correct option will be B. Next question number 2. The question is, the maximum velocity of a simple harmonic motion represented by y is equal to 3 sin 100t plus pi by 6 is given by, these are the options. Now solution to question 2. Here y is 3 sin 100t plus pi by 6, therefore amplitude A will be equal to 3 and omega will be equal to 100. Therefore V max will be equal to A omega. A is 3 and omega is 100. So B max will be 300. So the correct option will be B. Next question number 3. The question is, a body is in simple harmonic motion. When its displacement from mean position is 4 cm and 5 cm, then the corresponding velocity is 10 cm per second and 8 cm per second. Time period of the body is. Now solution to question 3. Here velocity of a particle in SHM is given by V is equal to omega under root amplitude square minus displacement square. Therefore V1 upon V2 will be equal to omega under root A square minus x1 square upon omega a square minus x2 square omega cancels out and we get b1 is 10, b2 is 8 is equal to under root a square minus 4 square upon under root a square minus 5 square, which gives 5 by 4, squaring both sides, 5 by 4 square is equal to a square minus 16 upon a square minus 25, which is 25 upon 16. Therefore, 25 a square minus 625 is equal to 16 a square minus 256, that is 16 into 16, which gives 9a square is equal to 625 minus 256 is equal to 369, which gives a square as 41, which gives a square as 369 upon 9 means 41. Therefore, b1 is equal to omega a square minus x1 square gives b1 is 10, omega is 2 pi by t under root a square means 41 and x1 is square is 4 square means 16. So it is 2 pi upon t into under root 25, which is 5 into 2 pi by t. Therefore, t will be equal to pi. Therefore, t will be equal to pi second. So, the correct option is D. Next question number 4. The question is, the equation of motion of a particle executing simple harmonic motion is x is equal to 5 sin 4t minus pi by 6. If the displacement of the particle is 3 units, then its velocity will be. Now, solution to question 4. Here x is equal to 5 sin 4t minus pi by 6. Therefore, amplitude A will be equal to 5 units and angular velocity omega is 4 units. When x is equal to 3 units, then velocity will be equal to omega into a square minus x square, a square minus x square. This is omega is 4 into a is 5, 5 square minus 3 square, it is 4 into 25 minus 9 means 4 into 4 means 16. So the correct option will be C. Next question number 5. The question is, the displacement of a particle executing simple harmonic motion is given by y is equal to 0.3 sin 220 t plus 0.64 meters. The frequency and maximum velocity of the particle will be. Solution to question 5. Here y is equal to 0.3 sin 220 t plus 0.64. Therefore, A will be equal to 0.3 meters because y is given in meters and omega is 220 radian per second. Now omega is equal to 2 pi f gives f as omega upon 2 pi. This is 220 upon 2 pi means 110 upon pi, which is 35 hertz. Also B max will be equal to A into omega 0.3 into 220 means 66 meter per second. So the correct option will be B. Frequency is 35 hertz and maximum velocity is 66 meter per second. Next question number 6. The question is, the amplitude of a particle executing simple harmonic motion is 4 cm and its velocity at mean position is 16 meter per second. The distance of the particle from the mean position where the velocity becomes 8 root 3 cm per second is. Now solution to question 6. Here amplitude is equal to 4 cm, B is equal to velocity at mean position which will be B maximum is 16 cm per second. We have to find the distance at which B becomes 8 root 3 cm per second. Now from velocity formula, B is equal to omega under root A square minus x square. Now B maximum is equal to A omega, which gives omega as B maximum upon A, that is 16 upon 4, that is 4 radian per second. Now B will be equal to omega times A square minus x square. B is 8 root 3 is equal to omega is 4 under root A is 4 square minus x square. X is unknown. This 4 cancels 8 giving 2 here. Therefore 2 root 3 will be equal to 16 minus x square. Squaring both sides we get 4 into 3 means 12 is equal to 16 minus x square. Therefore, x will be equal to under root 16 minus 12, that is under root 4, that is 2 centimeter. So the correct option will be C. Next question number 7. The question is, the instantaneous displacement of a simple pendulum oscillator is given by x is equal to a cos omega t plus pi by 4. Its speed will be maximum at time. Now, solution to question 7. Here x is a cos omega t plus pi by 4. Therefore, speed will be equal to B is equal to dx upon dt, that is a omega sin omega t plus pi by 4 with minus sign. When B is maximum, then sin omega t plus pi by 4 should be 1. For B to be maximum, sin omega t plus pi by 4 should be 1. Therefore, omega t plus pi by 4 should be equal to sin inverse of 1, that is pi by 2. Hence, omega t will be equal to pi by 2 minus pi by 4, that is pi by 4. Therefore, t will be equal to pi upon 4 omega. So the correct option will be B.